This next section is an extension of compositions. So let's say, for example, that I ask you to find g of h of 2. So I no longer have an x in that very inside parentheses, I have a number. So what does that mean? Well, first, let's look at the h value, 5x minus 3. If I were to just ask you to evaluate h of 2, what would you do? You would take this 2 and you would plug it in for x. So let's do that. 5 times 2 minus 3. So that's going to give us 10 minus 3, which is 7. So I know that h of 2 equals 7. Well, the g value is x minus 1. So if I want to find g of h of 2, well, I know what h of 2 is. It's 7. So let's replace this h of 2 value with 7 and then simplify from there. So if I were to ask you to find g of 7, you would just take the x minus 1 and plug in a 7 where the x was. And 7 minus 1 gives us 6. So in this case, g of h of 2 equals 6. So you're taking the innermost number and plugging it into the 1 directly outside of it. So I plugged 2 into h. And then whatever answer you get from there, so in this case we got 7, we plugged into the outermost function, which was g. So I plugged 7 in to the g function, which was x minus 1.